China's humanoid leap, from demo to factory.
Moving beyond stage demonstrations like walking and playing table tennis, Chinese humanoid robots are taking a giant leap directly into real-world factory and household labor. Founded by Xiangrong and Zhejiang University PhD experts with decades of research experience, the Innovation Center focuses on deploying functional robots for practical industries. The company develops three core platforms: fixed robots for workstations, wheel-arm robots for flexible transport, and bipedal units for navigating complex terrain. Engineered for versatility, the wheel-arm robot delivers an impressive 0.02 mm repeatability, navigating 20-degree slopes with a continuous 6-hour operating life. In a landmark milestone, the center secured an order for 2,000 customized humanoids with Jack technology, bringing robotic intelligence into the challenging textile industry. Achieving a 98% cutting success rate in just 3 seconds per cycle, these robotic systems maintain a 2 mm positioning accuracy on flexible fabrics. Overcoming real-world variability requires embodied intelligence, allowing AI systems to learn directly through physical interaction and environmental perception. Stepping out of experimental laboratories, China's humanoid robots are transforming from technical showpieces into productive partners for the future economy.